Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices are updated so settings sync reliably. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and go straight to screen time. Once there, tap Downtime to see any active schedule and current limits. You're looking for the toggle and the schedule grid. This is where rules live. Tap the toggle to disable or tap Edit Schedule to modify days and times. Make changes now so automatic restrictions stop immediately and stay consistent across devices. Now you'll change the detailed rules. Choose Custom to override weekly defaults and pick precise start and end times. Once done, set Always Allowed contacts and apps so essential calls and apps bypass downtime. Also check app limits and communication limits, reduce or remove limits that still block access. Make sure to save each change. The watch reads these settings from your iPhone, so confirm sync. This prevents recurring downtime from reactivating unexpectedly. Finish by confirming the new state on the watch itself. Open Settings Screen Time and verify downtime shows off or the updated schedule. If settings don't apply, restart both the watch and iPhone to force a sync. If screen time is locked, enter the passcode or use the screen time passcode recovery procedure. Without it, you can't change downtime. If problems continue, toggle iCloud Sync for screen time briefly to refresh settings across devices. That usually clears stubborn conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.